So today I'm just doing a quick harvest video. I haven't really got time to show you the actual process of harvesting, but I've got so many videos where I do that. So today I'm just showing you these are the sorts of things that we're harvesting in the middle of July. So the harvest you're about to see is just the stuff that I'm harvesting on our big harvest day, which is a Sunday. We harvest for friends and family. We're still harvesting loads of other stuff on a daily basis, so lots of blueberries and gooseberries and red, green and yellow peppers and baking potatoes, raspberries, cherries, spinach, beans and strawberries, I think, and pretty much everything else you'll see in today's bulk harvest. This is just an ordinary harvest for us. We do a harvest like this pretty much every week of the year, just a different mix of different types of things, but similar quantities. Okay, so here's the fresh veg salads and smoothie table. So we've got spring onions, don't they look absolutely stunning? I've got one more week left of these until we switch back to green ones for a little while, and then in August we're back on to, well, not quite as purpley ones, but still really beautiful ones. Got a few cucumbers, first tomatoes, and these are the salad bases. So a nice selection, all the red ones are at the bottom. And golden purslane, more golden purslane, spring onion tops, and smoothie mixes. So I'm just going to make those up now. We basically just add, these are the toppings basically, these and these. So it looks a bit more colourful once it's finished. That's with all the homegrown ingredients added. Now for mine, I just like to add grapes and cheese, and then that's ready to eat. So here's my table just ready for packing into bags. So we've got lots of fruit here: black currants, red currants, red currants, black currants, gooseberries, black currants and red currants, gooseberries, summer leeks, celery, spinach, spring onions for cooking, mixed potatoes, bakers and general purpose and salad. Last of the broad beans, more gooseberries, calabrese, Carvalho Nero and black magic, Pentler Brig kale, green curly kale, mixed red kales, chard, Paris silver skin onions, runner beans and French beans. Would have made some French beans and courgettes, obviously, and mixed beetroot, little babes, and new ones. And these are actually from the store, so we haven't got any golden ones yet, so I'm just still taking those. First of our trumpecinos and some grotty carrots. And carrots are actually the disaster story of this July harvest, really. Everything that's in the containers, even though it's really high up, it's like 1.2 meters high, has got carrot fly. So there's just a few in there that haven't got carrot fly. So not really many carrots right now, but fortunately we've got loads and loads of carrots that are under nets, so it won't be too long. So that's it. So that is basically the cooked veg harvest, I guess, fruit and veg harvest, I guess you could call it, for us and our friends and family. So I'm just going to box and bag that up now. The bag's down there, and then I'll be done. So if you've got any questions about the way I harvest and why we harvest the way we do, then I suggest just take a look at the harvesting section of my free ebook. Link is down below. and that goes through everything that you've seen. So the whole process of harvesting, all the tools and containers and knives and spinners and everything we use, why we use these plastic containers, why we like them so much, and who we harvest for, and some general hints and tips on how to keep your harvest nice and fresh and all that sort of thing. So yeah, take a look. So hope you like this quick video. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and it's hot. See you soon.